So what do you do with your clay scraps? Well, you want to keep your clay scraps separated based on how moist they are. Scraps of clay from projects that are still pliable and fairly moist, they can have dried out a little bit, are going to go into your moist clay scrap bag. Shove it in the bag. Handy dandy spray bottle. Give it a few spritzes. Clay that is really drying out, not very pliable. I'm gonna set that to the side, set it out in the sun, set it out in the wind until it changes color and is nice and hard. This is an old project I decided I didn't want to keep. It was not up to my standards. Once this clay is dried out enough, I'll pop it in there, put this in a totally separate bag or a container like this, a bucket, and moisten that down totally separate from my moist clay scraps. These little scraps of totally dried clay, feel free to put them into your slip and score water. They will break down quite quickly and help make this water into a nice glue as slip. Clay and slip combined, or clay and water combined, are called slip. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do with your clay scraps. You gotta keep them separated.